Hey, what's up guys? It's Jose of Yugatech again, back with our next tier list of smartphones that were released during Q3 of 2022. And this time, we'll be looking at those smartphones just under 20,000 pesos. Mind you though, these are all listed in no particular order, so let's quit the chit chat and get right into it. First on the list is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G with the MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset, 8GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of internal storage. Watching your favorite shows or playing your favorite games is a joy with the Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G, as it comes with a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Its cameras feature a triple camera setup at the rear with a 64MP main, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. The front also sees a 16MP front-facing camera. It also runs on iOS 8.6, which is based on Android 12, and packs in a pretty substantial 5000mAh battery with 33W fast charging. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro 5G comes in at just 15,490 pesos and is available in either Eco Black or Cedar Green colorways. Narzo has cemented itself as its own standalone brand these past months, and with that, we got the Narzo 50 Pro 5G that comes at just 15,999 pesos in either Hyper Blue or Black colors. Like the Tecno, the Narzo 50 Pro 5G also features 5G connectivity, but now packs in a faster MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G chipset and Mali G68 GPU, while also having 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Taking the Narzo 50 Pro 5G is no fuss, at its 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display supports a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Not to mention that, it also features a 90Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, and is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It also features a triple rear camera setup as well, headlined by a 48MP main shooter, and as well as a 16MP front selfie camera. The Narzo 50 Pro 5G runs on Realme UI 3.0 while also packing in a 5000mAh battery and support for 33W fast charging. If you're a fan of Vivo, then look forward to the Vivo V25e. It's a solid all-rounder for day-to-day use with its MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and Mali G57 GPU. And a lot of times we might find ourselves filling up the storage on our phones or over time see them lag, but with the V25e, chances are you probably won't, as it packs an 8GB of RAM with extended RAM of up to 8GB, giving it a total of 16GB of RAM all in all. It also comes standard with 256GB of internal storage for all your apps, photos, and videos. Its camera setup is also pretty impressive with a triple camera setup at the back, led by a 64MP main and a 32MP front camera. Its 4500mAh battery also comes with 44W fast charging, and the V25e runs on FunTouch OS 12. The Vivo V25e is priced at 17,999 pesos and comes in two stunning colors, Diamond Black and Sunrise Gold. Now, if you're into aesthetics at this budget, look no further than the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, as it features simple, pretty design with neat pastel colors like light blue, light orange, and black. Its display is also top-notch with a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display that runs with a 120Hz refresh rate and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And unlike those previously mentioned smartphones, the Galaxy A23 5G packs in Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 5G processor and an Adreno 619 GPU. It's also the first on this list to feature a quad rear camera setup with a 50MP main, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth sensor. At the front, you'll find an 8MP front camera. It also runs on Samsung's One UI 4.1 based on Android 12 and packs a 5000mAh battery, but only charges at a maximum of 25W. The Samsung A23 5G is available in two configurations, the 6GB plus 128GB model for 17,990 pesos and the 8GB plus 128GB model for 1,000 pesos more at 18,990 pesos. Last but not the least on this list is the Oppo Reno 8Z 5G. Like the Samsung, it runs on the same Snapdragon 695 5G chipset and Adreno 619 GPU. It also features 8GB of RAM with 5GB extended RAM made available, while also packing in 128GB of internal storage. It's also great to hold on your hand as it carries a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Its camera setup is also solid with 64-megapixel main at the rear and 16-megapixel lens up front. It also runs on ColorOS 12.1 while also featuring Face Unlock and a 4500 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. The Oppo Reno 8Z 5G goes for just under 20,000 pesos at 19,999 and comes in a dazzling Dawn Light Gold or Starlight Black colorway. So that wraps up our list smartphones under 20k that were released in Q3 of 2022. Comment down below on which one was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a like cause we truly love the support, and be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Make sure to visit yugatech.com for the best tech content here in the Philippines, and give us a follow on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Once again, I'm Jose of Yugatech, and I'll see you in the next one.